Hello and welcome to another class of AWS Management Console. So today in this class we are going to discuss about mobile services provided by AWS. In AWS Management Console we have mobile services. Under mobile services we have Mobile Hub, Cognito, Device Farm, Mobile Analytics and Pinpoint. So today in our class we are going to discuss about these services. Now let's discuss about mobile services. AWS provides a variety of services so that they can help developers to build new mobile apps. They can reach or they can scale number of users or even millions of users globally. AWS users they can have high quality mobile apps because we have high quality testing on real devices in the cloud. And also we can measure as well as improve user engagement, so we have a better user experience with these mobile services. The very first we have Mobile Hub. What Mobile Hub is? Now we have like a new AWS Mobile Hub. It simplifies the process of building, it simplifies the process of testing as well as monitoring various mobile applications that use one or more AWS services. It helps us to skip the heavy lifting of integrating and configuring services. How? Because it let you add and configure features to your applications. Like what are the features that we can add and configure? We can have user authentication, data storage, backend logic, we have push notifications, we have content delivery and analytics from a single integrated console. That means all of these services are possible from a single console. AWS Mobile Hub helps you to reach each stage of development. Like, what are the stages of development? First, we need to configure, we need to build, we need to test, and then we need to track usage monitoring. So, console is basically a feature oriented. Instead of picking individual services, we select higher level features which are combination of multiple services, software development kits and client code. That means with the help of only one we can go or configure a proper mobile app which is done in 10 minutes. And so these are the features that Mobile Hub includes: application analytics, application content delivery, cloud logic, we have NoSQL database, push notification, user data storage, we have user sign in connectors, conversational bots and user engagement. Next, let's discuss about Cognito. What Cognito is? Amazon Cognito is a mobile service that can easily add users sign up and sign in to mobile and web applications. That means this is a service that can easily add sign in and sign up. Here we are using SAML, which is Security Assertion Markup Language. It is used to authenticate users through social identity providers like Facebook, Twitter, or Amazon, or by using identity system. Amazon Cognito lets you easily add user sign up and sign in as we had discussed. So we can create our own user directory with this, or we can authenticate users through social identity providers. That means we can identify user itself or it can authenticate using Facebook, Twitter, etc. With SAML identity solution, or we can have our own identity system too. Amazon Cognito enables you to save data locally on user devices. It allows your applications to work even when the devices are offline. You can then synchronize data across users' devices and experience various services. So, used to create great app experiences instead of worrying about building, securing, scaling a solution. to handle user management, authentication, and synchronization. So, this is Amazon Cognito. Next, we have device form. What device form is? This is basically an application testing service that can help to test and interact. That means we are building a mobile application, we are using a mobile application. Now, after building and customizing, we need to test. So, this is basically an application for testing service. It helps you to test and interact with Android, iOS, and web apps on many devices at once. We can reproduce issue on devices in real time. We can view video, we can view screenshot, test performance data, and also we can fix issues with this device form. So this is basically a testing application service. Next we have mobile analytics. It is used to measure out the total usage and revenue. That means if we are using an application, we have built an application, we have tested an application, now we need to measure what is usage and what is revenue. So, by tracking key trends such as we can use returning users, we can have application revenue, we can see the user retention and custom in application behavior events. User can make user driven decisions so that they can increase engagement and monetization of the application. So, this is mobile analytics. Next, we have Pinpoint. Amazon Pinpoint, with this, there is no upfront setup cost and no fixed monthly cost. That means it makes it easy to run or to drive user engagements in mobile applications. With the help of Pinpoint, it helps us to understand user behavior. We can define user to target. We can determine which messages to send, schedule the best time to deliver the message, and also we can track the results of the campaign. So, this is Amazon Pinpoint. Now, whatever the services that we have discussed are the service provided by AWS Management Console for various mobile services. Today in this class we have discussed about mobile services provided by AWS Management Console. Thank you so much.